warmer though, and I think a lot of people are going to be breathing a bit of a sigh of relief as I see 70s maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be nice, mid 70s by the afternoon, and I'd say even the morning starting a lot better. You don't need all the layers or the heavy jackets when you're headed to work, kids headed to school and all that.
Good news.
So big plus, right?
Yeah.
So we're looking at radar right now. There's some rain out there, but that's not going to be an impact as you head into tomorrow morning. So big thing for the first day of the week is going to be those warmer temperatures. After that, there'll be some rain in here. A few of these light rain showers right now, they're just passing by. Wanted to show you them because there's really not a lot going on at this time anymore, just because over about the last hour, a lot of these rain showers have continued to move off towards the east. You can see some of our eastern communities still seeing some light sprinkles, but these rain showers are moving east enough pretty quickly that they're going to be out of here pretty soon. So our friends from Manchester and really just south of West Union seeing some of that light rain. As we take a look at northern Kentucky, a lot of these light rain showers have moved off towards the east. So we are continuing to dry out for tonight, but a lot of us didn't even see that rain out there. What we're going to be seeing here as we go overnight is temperatures dropping some, but not as cold as what they were early this morning. Gives you an idea here. We are sitting in the low 50s, even some mid 50s, 53 in Cincinnati right now. We're going to see the temperatures jump back up into the mid 70s for tomorrow. So that is great weather. We're going to be seeing some cool down though as we head towards the middle to the end part of the week. So enjoy the nice weather for tomorrow if you're able to, because we get to about Tuesday, Wednesday, that's when rain chances are going to return. And that's also when we start a wet weather pattern where we are going to start to see almost daily rain chances as we go throughout this week and even into next weekend. You'll see throughout Futurecast here we go overnight, few stray showers here or there. Most of tonight, it's looking pretty dry. You're waking up tomorrow morning, you're looking at 7 a.m. Few clouds out there, still pretty dry outside. May have a few passing rain showers once we start to head into the afternoon and then as we head into the evening. Most of us going to be staying dry again. It'll be pretty spotty, pretty stray shower-like, but of course, watch for any of those light rain showers again tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. Once we head after that, I'm talking about Tuesday and Wednesday, that's going to be a lot better chance of seeing some rain. Waves of rain in there. Heaviest is going to be Tuesday night, overnight into Wednesday morning. May hear some rumbles of thunder, and then we're looking at pretty soaking rain too. Some of us seeing about 1 to 2 inches of rain. You'll see this really just push on up, some light to moderate areas of some rain, and it just keeps on going as we go throughout the day on Tuesday. It'll also drop our temperature some on Tuesday back down into the 60s compared to the 70s for tomorrow. By Wednesday, even cooler, and by Thursday, we are into the 50s. So this evening, looking pretty good outside. We are 53 right now. We have light winds, some clouds out there, of course, with some of those rain showers that are hanging around, but this is a big plus. Tomorrow morning, we are only falling to the upper 40s, which is pretty typical for us at this point of May. It's cool outside, but not super cold like what it was early this morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we make it into the mid 70s. It'll start to turn breezy for tomorrow, and it'll be breezy into Tuesday too. Impact day for Tuesday and Wednesday. Because of those rain chances, Wednesday temperatures are going to tumble. It'll be a very chilly cold rain. Guys.
All right, Sabrina.